5th standard students. So already 12 and 13 chapter we have completed, and 14th chapter I am starting today. That's name is how big, how heavy. For second term, those chapters also you have to revise. How big, how heavy. कितना बड़ा, कितना भारी. So let us start. Sarika collects things like marbles, coins, erasers, etc. She takes some water in a glass and marks the level of water as 0. You can see what she has done. In one glass, little bit quantity she has taken and marked as 0, and collected things, marbles, coins, erasers. You can collect different things also, pebbles or beads. If you want to collect, you can collect. If I drop 5 marbles in the glass, can you guess what will be the level of water? Then that boy is telling, I think this much. If you will do this activity and you will put some pebbles or same thing, the water level will be up. She drops 5 marbles in the glass. She marks the new level of water as 5 marbles. Again, she noted the level of water. I think you heard the story of crow, thirsty crow. वो क्या करता है? वो पॉट में, वो बहुत प्यासा होता है. इन शॉर्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू स्टोरी. वो बहुत प्यासा होता है और उसको कहीं पानी नहीं मिलता है, और एक पॉट में लिटिल क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर वो देखता है. तो वो क्या करता है कि उसमें कुछ पत्थर डालता है, और डालते 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 क्या होता है कि वाटर का जो लेवल है, वो पत्थर जैसे जैसे नीचे जाते हैं, वाटर लेवल जो है तो उसका अप होता है, और फिर वो अपनी चोंच से वो पानी पी लेता है. और उस कहानी का हिंदी में नाम है चतुर कौवा, इंग्लिश में थ्रस्टी क्रो और क्लेवर क्रो. हम बहुत सारे उससे हमने ये कहानी सुनी है. सेम थिंग इज हियर. Oh, how did you guess? Do you know the volume of a marble? She is telling to that boy, I just made a guess about how much water will be pushed up by the marbles. How do you find the volume? Now what they both are talking, कि तुम्हें कैसे पता था कि how do you know कि water level will be this much of above? Then he is telling, I guess just. Now he is asking, how do you find the volume? So now what she is telling, see, each marble pushes up some water, right? That is because it takes up some space, which is its volume. Sarika, or whatever name of this girl, Sarika is this. Sarika is explaining to that boy, whatever I am putting in that water, whatever level of water that is increasing in the glass, that water level, because of this the water level is going up, so that is the volume of this marble. So you have to do this activity at your home, okay? And don't write anything from this chapter at present.